Hi, my name is Christine Maurer, and I'm a senior natural resource ecologist at Hennepin County. We're out at Voyageur camp, and we'll be talking about watersheds. What is a watershed? A watershed is the area of land that drains to a lake, river, or other water body. Watersheds come in all shapes and sizes and can be as big as the Mississippi River Basin or as small as the immediate drainage around a wetland or creek. For example, a small watershed at the Voyageur Environmental Center could be the area around this small sedge meadow. Slowly, water from this meadow seeps overland and through the ground to feed this adjacent small creek. The creek drains water from a slightly larger area and therefore has a larger watershed than the wetland. Ultimately, water will flow from the creek to Dutch Lake, then to the Minnehaha Creek, then to the Mississippi River, all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico. Because water features and watersheds are so intimately connected, it means what we do to harm or protect water has impacts both right here and thousands of miles downstream. Voyageur Environmental Center is located in 2 watersheds. Watershed boundaries define how water moves across the land. These boundaries are partly determined by the elevation and arrangement of shapes and features of the land, also known as the topography. For example, a high point in the landscape like a mountain will direct water down either side. The Continental Divide of North America is a topographic feature that hydrologically divides the continent. Water that falls on the west side of the divide generally flows west, and water that falls on the east side generally flows east. The Voyageur Environmental Center has a mini continental divide in the form of a large ridgeline. Water that falls on the east side of the ridge falls into the Minnehaha Creek watershed, and water that falls on the west side of the ridge flows to the Pioneer-Sarah Creek watershed. It is important to think about the way water flows and how we can act to protect it for fish, beavers, and ourselves. Picking up Fido's poop, being conservative with winter salting, capturing rainwater in a rain barrel or rain garden, and keeping lawn clippings and leaves out of storm drains are just a few ways you can help prevent pollution to our waters. If you would like to know more about watersheds or how you can be a good water steward, please see the references shared in the story map.